What do you think this does in terms of BigCommerce trying to compete with Shopify? Do you think that it's a huge move? Do you think that it's a move in the right direction? Or is Shopify just too big now that nobody can really compete with?
Well, it's obviously a step in the right direction. Shopify's feed, out of any other hosted solution, it was probably the best, right? We didn't really see too many issues with, the Facebook catalog integration or Google Shopping integration. So if anything, this was not just a good move on BigCommerce's part, it was a necessary move on BigCommerce's part. This is something that they absolutely had to do. I think they went about it the right way by acquiring an established software rather than trying to build it themselves. They will definitely see an uptick in new stores coming to them specifically because of this. I don't want to say that Shopify is too big to fail. I think that there's plenty of room in this market and plenty of growth that is going to happen over the next 5 to 10 years in the e-commerce space. So we'll see what happens.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel for more videos on marketing, e-commerce, custom development, and much more. Plus, new episodes of Surge, our weekly e-commerce and digital marketing podcast released every Wednesday.